Lacrosse officials are not releasing any statements regarding the arrests of two of their school athletes. This after a brawl on Bourbon Street was briefly caught on camera this weekend.
And today, one of the students allegedly involved faced a judge for a bond hearing. And as Jade Cunningham explains, his attorney has an explanation for the fight.
Surrounded by family and attorneys, Rhett Weidenbacher walked into the criminal district court in silence. Already out on bail, Tuesday's court appearance was brief. The judge denied prosecutors' request to raise bond, then told Weidenbacher to come back later this month. Afterwards,
this is a very unfortunate incident that occurred in the French Quarter.
His lawyer David Crissell spoke to the media, giving some insight as to what happened 4 a.m. Sunday near the intersection of Bourbon and Iberville streets.
My client, who's standing behind me, and his two friends were waiting on transportation home when they were approached by three other males. One of those men decided to use racial slurs to a 17-year-old black male that was with my client.
A fight followed, which was caught on camera, but Crissell says that video seen on the New Orleans Advocate's website doesn't show the whole thing.
What you didn't see was right before that, and you can't see in the video, one of those guys punched my client in the mouth, knocked out two of his teeth.
Weidenbacher has been arrested and charged with second-degree battery before. A police report from March states while at a party, Weidenbacher got into an argument and punched someone several times in the face, causing an orbital fracture to the eye. That charge was dropped just 2 days before Sunday's brawl, but the 18-year-old Holy Cross student's history could still influence how the new case moves forward.
They're not going to feel lenient towards him the second time. I think that's going to be a factor in what the state decides to do when they screen the case.
Since Weidenbacher was never convicted of that initial second-degree battery charge, he'd be considered a first-time offender. Now, his classmate, also arrested Sunday, Christopher Collette, is out on bond facing 2 counts of simple battery, and he is expected to be back in court next month.
Somehow I think more details to come in this one.
Yes, it's interesting to see how this plays out.
Jade, thank you.